Hello. In this video, I will show you how to create realistic AI video. For example, see this video.
I need peace and quiet.
The cop is saying, I need peace and quiet. And then the parrot is saying,
Then arrest yourself, officer!
Smart bird.
so as an example, I am showing to create this type of video. For example, we will recreate exactly this video. Recreation means it will not be exactly like this, but it will be similar to this. Okay. So we will use Google Veo 3 AI model, and we will create the prompt with the help of ChatGPT. There's a saying, you should not hide anything with your lawyer and doctor. Similarly, you should not hide anything with your LLM like ChatGPT. You have to tell ChatGPT every possible thing, especially every possible subtle aspects. Okay, so at first we will tell ChatGPT the context, what we are going to do, description later. Okay. So at first we should assign a persona. If we are creating copy, we will start with you are an expert copywriter. If we are going to create AI video, we will say you are an expert video creator or prompt engineer. So let's assign a persona. You are an expert engineer for creating Veo 3 videos. So we have assigned the persona. Now I will give you concept of a video. You will write prompt. Okay, so concept, what is the concept? Let's see the video again from the zero. This is a room where a cop is sitting on the table and a cup of tea is on the table, and there's a parrot inside a case. Okay, concept, a cop is sitting on a table, a cup of tea on the table, a parrot is in the case. This is the scenery of the room. Now you should also mention the emotional state. For example, here the cop looks like
I need peace and quiet.
kinda tired, exhausted, right? So if you think you need another emotional state, you will mention that. For me, it looks like he is tired, so I will mention the cop is a cop is cop looks like tired, and he is telling to the parrot. What he is telling? I need peace and quiet. Okay. But he's telling what is the emotional state. It's like he is requesting.
Quiet.
Okay. looks like the cop is requesting in low volume voice. Okay.
Then arrest yourself, officer.
The parrot looks like cocky, huh? Yeah. So then, and it looks like angry a little bit. The parrot looks like the parrot looks like angry. Why? Telling in hyper voice. What? Then arrest yourself. But hearing this, the cop isn't angry. He is understanding. He's forgiving. He is understanding the parrot is in the
Smart bird.
smart. Okay, but the cop is cool and is smiling, telling the parrot, smart bird, smart bird. Okay. What else? More information can we provide? And after telling that, the cop is shaking his head in a what way? In a wise way. After hearing that, the cop is the cops expression is explicit and looks like a wise man didn't mind cops smiling expression is explicit and looks like a wise man didn't mind at the cocky what more information can we provide? The more information can we provide, the better. But you must not create a mess. It should be simple yet expressive. Okay. Okay. Now let's tell ChatGPT not to overact, or ChatGPT has a tendency to guess about situation. I will ask, don't guess about my meant. Ask for any word. Ask context. If did it's it's portrait video, so we don't have much quiet to repeat the scenario.
I need peace and quiet.
Okay, so send it. Let's see what ChatGPT does. You just need few clarifications. Setting. Do you want ChatGPT is asking me for clarification about my requirement setting. Do you imagine this scene inside a police station? Yeah, it's a good question. You are asking ChatGPT to create something where there's a cop. So the question arises: is the cop in the police station or in his own home or where? Okay. So, for example, we want to make it in the police station, like a dim, tired office. Yeah, it's a dim office. Yes, it's in a police station and dim light in the dim environment, but the parrot and cop is vivid, is bright, vivid. Two, style. Should it look like realistic, cinematic, cartoon, anime? Oh, yeah, like picture 3D. No, it should realistic. Must look realistic. Realistic, uh, like cinema, like movie scene, like movie scene. Camera style. Since it's portrait, do you want mostly medium close-up, cop and case visible, or should pan zoom between cop and parrot? Uh, Pan and zoom or medium close-up? No, medium close-up. Where both of them are realism. Always. Fourth, mood tone. More serious or irony or light comedic moment. Say I prefer like comedic moment. Perfect. Now I've got the full picture. Okay. Now here is the prompt. Let's see what it has written. A tired police officer sits at his desk in a dimly lit police station with warm, moody lighting. A cup of tea steams gently on the table next to him. A bright case holds a colorful parrot. Both the cop and parrot are clearly visible in medium close-up portrait frame. The cop looks weary but calm, speaking softly to the parrot. I need peace and quiet. His tone is low and tired as he is pleading. Yeah. The parrot with sharp eyes and cocky energy instantly squawks back in a loud, sarcastic voice. Then arrest yourself. The officer pauses, smirks, and replies with a gentle smile. Smart bird. His smile grows wise, tolerant, amused. You should not blindly copy any prompt. Please remember this. You should not copy blindly any prompt because ChatGPT can make mistakes. You see, this is the disclaimer from the creator Sam Altman. He said ChatGPT can make serious mistake. Yes, it does. I have worked with ChatGPT for years, and I have tried thousands prompts. Yeah, I know it makes severe mistakes. So you have to revise every prompt. Wise tolerant, I'm used to showing a man who's learned not to take life too seriously. Okay, cinematic movie lightning, realistic detail, yeah, shallow depth of field. The background is slightly blurred with the focus on the cop's expressive face. Subtle motion in steam and feather movement, yeah, feather movement. Nice mention, feather movement. Tone, light comedic realism with warmth and charm. I think it's perfect. Copy. Now we will put it in our uh, AI model. Here put it. It's Veo 3.1, yeah, and it's already in portrait. Okay, then enter and let's see what happens. Okay, now you have to wait few minutes. Let's see what happens. This is the link, labs.google fx tools flow. Okay, I will give you the link in the description. There's a lot of services that provide AI model. I am here using directly Google's lab. It gives 5 short video free per month per account. If you have multiple Gmail account, you can create more, but it's probably against their policy. Anyway, Google is forgiving. It has its policy that you should not misuse their accounts for creating bulk content, but yeah, they know it, they detect it, but they accept it anyway. It's about 78%. How you will find this free model? Search GW Google Labs FX, and the first link you will create the flow. You will create the flow. Okay, this is here. You will create new project. Anyway, it is created.
I need peace and quiet.
Then arrest yourself.
Smart bird.
So it has been created, but in a different style. You know, the ChatGPT or AI model will not output exactly same. Every time you will ask, it will create a different variation. For example, if you think here is a cap on the head, so why here isn't? That case, I said you have to mention every single subtle things. You can now tweak the prompt and create again. That case, you will see a cap on the head of the cop. Let's download it in the original size. Yeah, the size is too small. There it is, 1.67 megabyte only. So try your video with the help of ChatGPT and you know what, Google's Veo 3. Thank you for watching.